was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But
What is up, nerdy girls? So today I have a really exciting collaboration video with Anairui, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial / review of their Eggplant and Kale clay mask. So right off the bat, the packaging is so adorable. It's purple, which is my favorite color, but I also love that it is running with the whole eggplant theme of the product. And I also am obsessed with the fact that it comes with a little scooper. This is perfect for me because I have long nails and, you know, it's just less messy that way. I am so excited to try this product because it's supposed to help calm any redness and inflammation you might have, and it is also an anti-acne product. I don't deal with so much acne, but I know that around my time of the month, it's something that will definitely help. Also, the product is purple itself. I mean, come on. So after I finish making faces at the camera, I put my hair back and begin to wash my face, or in my case, use a facial towelette because I had already cleansed my face before, so I just wanted to remove any excess oil and dirt before doing the face mask. So I'm just going to take the applicator and start packing on the product. A little bit goes a long way with this product, trust me. I realized that very early on. But I'm going to be doing the most fun part, which is making myself look like a purple monster. I'm just setting my timer for 20 minutes and I'm going to wait until the mask is totally dry before I take it off. And as you can see, it has some cracking happening, which means that it is definitely ready to come off my face. So I went ahead and rinsed off my face with some lukewarm water, and I can immediately tell a difference with how smooth my skin is, and my pores feel a lot tighter. So I'm just going to continue with my skincare routine as I usually do and finish off with some moisturizer. I'm so happy to be adding this clay mask to my weekly skincare routine, and I can definitely see myself using it 2 to 3 times a week. So with that being said, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in this clay mask or any other products, I will have the link down below for Anairui's website. Also, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and comment if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind, but when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love